Today, we're talking Rice Crispy Treats. These are gluten-free and come together in less than 5 minutes. You can totally put these together last minute for your 4th of July party. So keep watching as I teach you how to make patriotic Rice Crispy Treats. Welcome to Food Crazed. To start, lightly grease a 9x13 dish. In a large saucepan, add 1/4 cup of butter. And I like to go ahead and lightly stir this around until it just starts to melt. Now add 1 10-ounce bag of marshmallows. Now we need to constantly stir this around until all the marshmallows are melted and creamy. This part really only takes about a minute, so it's a good idea to stir it the whole time as it's melting so that your marshmallows don't burn. Once the marshmallows are fully melted and it's nice and creamy, we need to remove it from the heat. Now add 6 cups of a Rice Krispies cereal. And continue to stir this until the Rice Krispies cereal is fully coated in the marshmallow cream. Now we're going to add my favorite part, M&Ms. 1 heaping cupful of any variety that's your favorite, and lightly toss it around just a couple times to incorporate the M&Ms around. Now immediately pour this into your 9x13 dish. Some of the Rice Krispies kind of stick into the pan, so I just use an extra spoon to scrape it out. And you can see how sticky it all is. Here's my trick. Butter. What you're going to do is with your clean hands, you're going to rub a little bit of butter under your tips of your fingers and then press down on the Rice Krispie Treats. This way the Rice Krispies, they don't stick to your fingers whatsoever, and you're able to flatten out the treats perfectly. We're going to talk about the M&Ms that I used. If you can find the red, white, and blue patriotic M&Ms, that's great. I couldn't. I found a caramel M&M at the store that happened to have blue and red M&Ms in it, and I just picked through this big bag and got all the M&Ms that I needed for this recipe. These Rice Krispie Treats only need like 15 minutes to set up, and then they're ready to go. You can slice them up into little cute bars, and they are perfect, and they're gooey and marshmallowy and just delicious. Everyone loves Rice Krispie Treats, young or old, it doesn't even matter. They are so perfect, and these little caramel M&Ms are really, really good in this. So you might want to give those a try sometime. If you need a last-minute treat to put together for your 4th of July, I highly recommend making these. I'll put a link below to the full recipe so you can try these out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss another yummy recipe. Thanks again for watching.